Kindly subscribe to Africa Saga, and thank you for your support. Tuition is a new product from Flutterwave, an African payment technology business that enables users to effortlessly pay a variety of fees to educational institutions in Africa and abroad using their native currencies. A few international edutech platforms, as well as high schools, colleges, and universities, are among the educational institutions that accept tuition. Tuition by Flutterwave is designed to solve the challenges in paying school fees for students studying abroad and at home and aims to ensure payments ease when making fee transactions. The new service enables students, parents, guardians, and sponsors to pay school fees to over 40 institutions in the UK, with plans to add more institutions in more countries in Africa and beyond. According to reports, African payments to overseas schools have been hindered by a myriad of challenges. From the high cost of transactions, limited access to banking services, lack of transparency, security concerns, and currency exchange rates, Africans have faced difficulties in ensuring that their funds are dispersed within the shortest impossibilito overseas financial institutions. However, the new product will leverage Flutterwave's world-class payments technology solution to make school fee payments more convenient, secure, and reliable. Parents, guardians, and sponsors can now pay directly to learning institutions in the UK and easily track their transactions by checking the status and history on the Tuition web app. Olugbenga GB Agbola, Flutterwave CEO, said, "We are excited to launch Tuition to support the dreams of African students across all levels who want to study anywhere without worrying about how to meet the deadline for their school fees payment. With Tuition, we are providing a safer, reliable, and affordable means for African students to pursue their dreams and seamlessly get financial support from parents, guardians, and sponsors." Speaking on the new product launch, Stella Elele, product manager of Tuition by Flutterwave, said, "We're always looking for new ways to make payment challenges in Africa hassle-free, and we are confident that Tuition will be a game changer for parents who want to support their children's education. We are excited to offer this solution to parents in Nigeria, with plans to eventually roll out the service to other African countries. We want to provide the best possible service and support for our customers." The product is now offered in Nigeria for the payment of UK school fees, and will shortly be made available in additional African nations. As it expands access to the product, Flutterwave also has ambitions to add more schools in Africa, the UK, the US, Canada, France, and Germany. Please share your comments below and don't forget to subscribe.